student of Profuturo Primary School, and I am almost 9 years old, and I would like to show you the beautiful city of London.
With great pleasure, but then let's look here. This is, there we go. We'll come close by. Yes, please. Yes.
I will show you places to visit, food, spots, people, and the royal family.
Thank you.
This is the London Eye.
Can you speak louder, please?
This is the London Eye. And this is the Tower Bridge. And the Big Ben. And here is the Buckingham Palace. And the soldiers.
Soldiers. Thank you.
Westminster Abbey. Ice skating ring. Museum. Madame Tussauds. Fort.
Can you speak louder, please?
Fort. Gandalf.
Really yummy ones.
Cupcakes. English tea. Flapjack.
And this is what British people eat? Aha.
English breakfast.
Oh, this is English breakfast. Okay.
Roast beef. Fish and chips.
What's your favorite food among these?
A pie.
A pie. Okay.
Here is the pie.
Yummy.
People. The royal family. Prince William and his wife.
What is the wife's name? What is Prince William's wife's name? You remember? Kate.
Duchess Kate.
Bravo, well done.
Princess Diana. The Queen Elizabeth II. Prince Harry.
And we can see here other people, right?
And Adele.
Who is Adele, Kaya?
Adele is a singer.
Okay, do you like her songs?
Yes, she is my favorite.
She's your favorite, very nice. Okay, I could see others, let's continue.
Sports, math.
What sort of sports do they play?
They play rugby, football, and cricket.
Good. Do you like sports?
Yes.
What's your favorite sport among the British sports?
Rugby.
Rugby. Thank you very much.
Thank you for visiting the beautiful city of London.
We thank you, Kaya. Thank you. Goodbye.